Well, I guess we're being fucked by the
Hello?
game now.
Kinikik pa rin ako.
What does it say?
Ito, send ko sa inyo sa messenger.
Sige. Ram, yung fan ng PC mo, and ano, Ram, kaya ba stream your screen so that, ano, I'll nitpick the mod.
Dinig ba yung fan ko?
Yeah.
Hanggang ngayon?
No, kanina. Oh, fuck ah.
Ground team, what are those shots
Oh?
over?
Hindi naman ginalaw yung fan ko.
Ground team, this is Echo 3-1. Be advised that one times patrol that was patrolling around the oil rig is now reinforcing towards the roadblock. Over.
Apparently we did not know. Wait, when I'm in tech support mode, I'll be. You guys got this.
Only one be in tech support mode. I'm currently watching over this,
How many
Express.
mods ka in total at the moment?
that
34.
fire team that I just watched is moving in to reinforce your
Minimum
position,
is-
reinforce the position of the roadblock.
Minimum
Over.
is only 22, pero may mga extra tayo dyan.
Good
Wait
copy,
lang.
good copy.
Ace Ragdaling?
Hindi, optional yan. Pwede mo rin yung tanggap kung gusto.
USS Nimitz?
Yung
MCC?
Ay, no, that's a keep actually. Wait, one. Scroll from the top and then let's do this slowly.
Keep ba MCC? Kasi nakalagay din sa error MCC eh.
Ay, sige,
Is the home base still
Nakalagay
open?
please turn off unsupported. IFA,
Yeah, I don't think it got damaged
ASR, AI,
that much.
Alive, MCC.
okay, remove pala. Wala pa sa lista ni Paul. Hindi ka napapansin.
Was wondering since
USS
I
Nimitz.
put a grenade on it.
Scroll up.
Pike.
Tango's to the south, Tango's to the south, Tango's to the south.
Gestures.
One times sniper team coming in from your 6. Watch your sectors.
Okay, cop vehicles. Remove.
I'm gonna try and engage.
Remove. Unload. Sige, up.
Target the medic. 75 meters, 5 o'clock.
Sige lang.
Top terrains maps.
Okay.
Sling roading, rappelling, top
Okay.
terrains. Yung mga RHS tsaka CBU.
Last visual of that marksman.
So try ko na.
So, okay na yan dapat.
Alright lang. Close ko muna.
Target the medic.
Okay, back the bodies. We're using these. What the fuck? Is this friendly inside the Humvee?
No, he dead. Wait, who's this?
Be advised, I lost eyes on the marksman team. Watch your 6.
Trying to stop for him.
Behind us! James, where are you?
Dealing with the marksman team. One down.